Kundalini Shakti is an energy which is at the bottom of the spinal cord, and she sends out this energy throughout a lifetime whenever a body is in trauma. Whether it is physical, material trauma, or emotional trauma, or conceptual trauma, or other kinds of creative trauma, where the system is incapable of a unity consciousness or a pluriform consciousness, any of these layers of consciousness, when they are traumatized, she sends this energy and equalizes things. Sometimes what happens is she gets disturbed. If there is too much meditation, if yoga practices are undertaken which are not guided properly, if there is extreme alcohol consumption, lots of japa or mantra chanting for long hours, any practice that puts the body in a state of you can say of trauma in a sense, can disturb this energy, and then it starts to move the systems in different ways. Some people experience it as migraine headaches, as nervous system disorders, as twitches, as spinal cord disorders, as swayings like this. So when a person has something like that, it's important to just, the most important thing to keep a lifetime of quiet in the system is to always be in surrender. If ever you don't see me again, and if you're somewhere in life, and if ever suddenly something is happening in the body and you feel this is not really, I don't feel comfortable, something is going on, I don't know. The thing to do then just bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down. Be in surrender, surrender, surrender. My soul, the soul, the soul, the soul. Atman, Atman, surrender, surrender. And it will quiet down. The only way to actually deal with symptoms of a disturbed Kundalini is actually to be in surrender, to bend down and surrender.
You're invited to a live online satsang with Maharishika Preeti this Sunday. For more information, visit maharishika.org.